Hello everyone. Did you know that there's a ship elevator that lifts ships with more than 2,900 tons 112 meters in the air? How does it work, and why on earth would you pay millions of dollars on such structures when we can use cheaper waterlock systems? We will answer all these questions in this video. But first, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more fun and educational videos. The Yangtze River, the longest river in China and third longest in the world, standing at 6,300 kilometers. The Yangtze has played a great role in the history of China. For thousands of years, the river was used for water, irrigation, sanitation, transportation, industry and war, and it's also the busiest river in Asia. Thirst for energy and flood control led to building the biggest dam in the world, the Three Gorges Dam. Standing at 181 meters high and 2,335 meters long, this gigantic structure's inertia has slightly slowed the rotation of the Earth. When designing this enormous structure, a huge problem showed up. How would the 51,000 ships annually pass through this river, equivalent to more than 6 ships an hour, pass through this obstacle? The solution was easy and simple. A lock system would be put in place. A lock is a device used for raising and lowering ships between stretches of water of different levels on a river and canal waterways. But wait, a huge problem showed up. The tourist and cruise ships could not wait the whole 6 hours to pass through the canal. This is where the brilliant ship elevator idea emerged. So how does it work? The system is very easy. Ships enter the lift. The chamber filled with water rises thanks to the counter-down weight, and then the ships will exit the lift safely. This fun ride will take 30 to 40 minutes. This mega structure that became a touristic monument later on is one of its kind when it comes to its unique design. This magnificent structure almost casts its shadow on the Three Gorges Dam, but the mighty Three Gorges Dam is a topic for another video, so stay tuned.